When it's time to strain, it can be such a pain. You splash and spill and your pasta's down the drain. Well, I've got a better way. Hi, Kathy Mitchell here with my new Red Copper Better Pasta Pot. The tempered glass lid doubles as a strainer, while the large 5-quart pot has these easy lock handles. Just lift and they automatically lock. Then drain the water out and keep the pasta in. With my lift and lock handles, you're guaranteed the lid's on tight. Perfect for spaghetti night. Not even pounds of potatoes can unlock this lid. Infused with pure copper and thanks to anti-scratch technology, it resists the toughest punishment. And look, it's slippery nonstick ceramic. Everything comes right out. Not even my cheesy chili mac will stick, so you never scrub. Better Pasta Pot is easier to use than flipping on a light switch. Want to know a chef's secret? Simmer chicken bones and veggie scraps for a rich homemade broth that's liquid gold for savory soups and sauces. The durable lid has large holes for draining delicate ravioli and small for tiny vegetables or brown beef, and easily drain the grease. Add my special ingredients and you've got prize-winning chili. Cook, drain, and serve a mountain of peel and eat shrimp without extra dishes to clean. Try this. Melt sticky chocolate, butterscotch, peanut butter, and cornflakes. Pour out and let cool for these delicious haystack treats. Oh, yum. Whether it's a dozen boiled eggs or a bushel of corn, just lift and lock and you'll get a safe and steady pour like never before. Call now and get my 5-quart Better Pasta Pot with tempered glass lid for just $29.99. Plus, get my Pasta and More recipe book free. If Red Copper ever fails, we'll replace it guaranteed. Want more bang for your buck? You can double the offer and receive a second set. Plus the amazing veggies. Just pay a separate fee. Now simply insert fresh vegetables and twist for the healthiest pasta dishes. This is an incredible value and not available in any store. Call now.